Hello, welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video. We have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home located here in the village of Bonnybrook in the Villages, Florida. This home is offered at $390,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am standing in the village of Bonnybrook. The front of this home does face south. The back of the home faces north. I will pan the street. That is panning west. And this is panning east. This is a wood-framed home, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, offered at $390,000. It is a Cypress model designer home in the village of Bonnybrook. The roof was put on in 2020. HVAC system in the year 2019, and a hot water heater in the year 2019 as well. It has a low bond of $4,398. As you can see as I walk up to the home, it does have a 2-car garage. The concrete driveway is in very good condition. The front yard is in very good condition. It has a deep setback as well. And as always, friends, if you have any questions about the home, please contact your listing agents, Jude Hamilton or Keith Chubb, if you want more information on this home. As I walk up to the front of this home, you will see it is a wood-framed home with vinyl siding. That is a better look at your roof line. It has a seating area in the front of the home. Awesome glass doors in the front of the home as well. Let's go inside and take a look. Hi Chubby, can you tell us a little bit about this home?
You bet I can. This is a Cypress model. It's 1,861 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And it is so priced to sell. It is ridiculous. And so we are very close to Lake Sumter Landing. This is the village of Bonnybrook, and a very, very convenient location. Anyway, we're going to take a whole tour of the house. When you're ready, we're ready. Let's go.
Okay, thanks Chubby. I will show the guests the rest of this home. I appreciate it. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floor, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. Off to the left you do see a laundry room, and that door will lead into the garage. Off to the right of the foyer area, you will see the kitchen area and the dining area. I will show that a little bit later. First of all, we will go here in the laundry room. You do see it has vinyl floors. It has white cabinets above the washer and dryer as well. Here you have a 2-car garage with concrete floors. Seems to be in very good condition. And you will see it has some cabinets. That is a water heater in the corner. That water heater was replaced in the year 2019. And you can see this garage is in very good condition. And you will see the mechanicals are located right behind these doors as well. Let's go back into the rest of this home. I will show you the kitchen area next. Here you do have the dining area and the kitchen area. You can see the beautiful tile floors are continuing in this kitchen. It has granite countertops, recessed lighting, has an awesome tile backsplash too there. That is the tile backsplash. It has a small dinette in the front of the home with bay windows. Very nice. Very neutrally colored home as well. It does have a natural gas stove, stainless appliances, lots of cabinets in this home, by the way. I will give you an idea of what this pantry area looks like. That pantry does have drawers that do slide. Yep. All right, let's take a closer look at the rest of this home. And here's the island. Give you a better look at what that island looks like. This home is offered at $390,000. I will video the specification sheet. This home is located at 1957 Ardmore Way in the Villages, Florida, offered at $390,000. It is in the village of Bonnybrook, very close proximity to Lake Sumter Landing, about 10-minute golf cart drive to Lake Sumter Landing. It is priced to sell. I will flip the spec sheet over. I will show you the rest of the spec sheet and the room dimensions. The kitchen is 13.4 by 11.5. Primary bedroom is 16 by 14.5, and I will show you that in a little while. Let's continue throughout this home. This is your dining area, very large dining area, by the way. Neutral colors. The back of the home does face north. Very large living space as well, very high ceilings. It does have a solar tube as well, and the Lanai is in the back of the home. Off to the right, you will see a bedroom. It does have laminate floors. This is the primary bedroom. You do see it has sliding patio doors. Off into the Lanai, very high ceilings, acoustic texture. It has a walk-in closet right here. Laminate floors continuing in the walk-in closet. Here is your primary bathroom. Tile floors. Has 2 sinks. Wood cabinets. Solid surface countertops. Very high ceilings. That is your commode room right there. It has a sliding pocket door. There is a window above the commode. That shower is tile shower floor as well as a tile surround as well. It does have a seat in that shower. Here is another closet, walk-in closet, laminate floors, lots of shelving units, very high ceilings. That is a better look at your bathroom. It has a small seating area there as well. Next, I will go out to the back of the home. I will show you that Lanai area. It is facing north. That is a desirable direction to face. Now we are standing on the patio in the back of the Lanai. Has a painted concrete, very good condition. I'll give you a panoramic view. It is private. Has a lot of landscaping for privacy. Let's go back into that home and show you the rest of that home. Back into the living area. Off to the right, this is a split bedroom designed home. The primary bedroom is on the opposite side of the home as the guest rooms. The back of the house, you do have a guest bedroom. Laminate countertops, very large window. Bifold doors, raised panel bifold doors in this guest bedroom. That is what the closet looks like. Let's go into the guest bathroom. You do see the tile floors continuing. Solid surface countertop. There's another recessed light. It has a tub. That is a tile shower surround as well there. All right, that is your guest bathroom. Here's another guest bedroom with Formica, actually laminate floors. Has a built-in as well. Bifold doors on the closet. Looks like they were using this room as a den area, but it is a bedroom. It has a closet. Let's take a look at what this is. This might be a, yes, Murphy bed. That is a Murphy bed. Very efficient use of space. And I'll give you one last panoramic view of this living room area. Very high ceilings. This home is offered at $390,000. Please contact Jude Hamilton or Chubby Chubb if you have more questions about this home. This home was built in the year 2004, and it is in a very desirable location in the village of Bonnybrook. Next, I will walk out to the street. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home. Here in the Villages, Florida. That is panning left. That's panning right. As always, if you have more questions, please contact your listing agents. That is the contact information. Now I'll walk to the street and I'll show you the rest of this home. There you have it, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Cypress model designer home located here in the village of Bonnybrook. Offered at $390,000 with a low bond balance of $4,398. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.